Are you looking for the best dash cams? In this video, we will break down the top 4 dash cams on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. Chortau Dual Dash Cam System. The Chortau Dual Dash Cam System is the perfect choice for those looking to record both the front and rear of their cars while driving or parked. The rear camera is waterproof to protect it against the elements, and it also has 4 infrared LED lights for superior night vision while reversing or recording the road behind you. The rear camera also acts as a backup guide camera for parking and maneuvering. The front camera has a 170-degree wide-angle lens, and the rear camera has a 130-degree wide-angle lens to reduce blind spots. Along with the lithium-ion backup battery, this dash cam system uses a supercapacitor for reliable operation in extreme temperatures, from -86°F to 158°F. Both cameras shoot in full 1080p HD at 30 frames per second for ultra-clear video at high speeds. The body of the front camera features a compact design, and the 3-inch LCD display has a screensaver mode for distraction-free driving. At number 2. Rove R2-4K Dashcam. The Rove Stealth 4K Wi-Fi car dashcam is a 4K ultra video resolution dashcam. This device offers you a 150-degree wide-angle view and captures sharp and detailed images, and we can put it as also one of best car safety tool. Offering you more than 4 times the pixels, you can be sure of capture plates and signs. The H.265 encoding technology does away with storage space worries because even though everything is recorded in 4K, this technology compresses the footage without messing the video quality. The Wi-Fi feature ensures that you can work wirelessly and connect the cam to your smartphone. The GPS feature ensures that you can record the position and even calculate the speed of the car. The image distortion correction algorithm will correct all the footage that is distorted. The 24-hour parking monitor works with the internal battery. This camera turns on when an impact is picked by the G sensor. The camera then records the footage, locks and saves it. When you get back to the car, a voice alert will notify you of what happened while you were away. At number 3. Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual 1080p Dashcam. Front and inside dashcam with snapshot, a 170 degrees front-facing OV4689 sensor camera and 140 degrees rear-facing Sony sensor camera, 80 degrees rotatable, in one body, and 2 pro shots both front and inside the cabin simultaneously in full HD 1920x 1080p 30 frames per second, perfect dashcam for taxis, Uber, rideshare, Lyft drivers, commuters, and families, provides drivers and passengers with optimum protection. If you don't need the inside recordings, you can record with the single front-facing camera. F1. 8.6 glass lens front-facing cam and unique HDR video system automatically balance the light and dark areas of the video, while Sony IMX323 sensor, f2.06 glass lens rear-facing cam plus for IR LED lights greatly enhances night vision in car at low-light environment. If you set it to auto on-off, when low-light conditions are detected, the infrared LEDs will automatically turn on to support rear image recording, offering you and passengers a higher level of in-car safety. At number 4. Garmin Dashcam 66W. The compact design of the Garmin Dashcam makes it a really stylish-looking and easy-to-use dash camera. This is rated as a major upgrade to the Garmin Dashcam 65W as the video stabilization has improved in a remarkable manner. Apart from that, the video quality has also taken a leap as the 66W variant is able to capture video at 1440p 30 frames per second, while the 65W was able to record 1080p only. The video stabilization allows the user to drive in a carefree manner even on bumpy roads. Moreover, the 180-degree field view captures a large area from the sides, which is also being regarded as one of the major upgrades. In addition, the Garmin Dashcam 66W also includes the Dashcam Auto Sync feature that puts the user in control. Having the capability to play back the footage comes quite handy as there are various moments you do not want to miss. The convenience is further enhanced by the inclusion of voice control feature. One needs the utmost focus while driving, and distractions can only be minimized by the provision of such features where you can control a device without using your haptic sense. These features make this dash camera quite a versatile one and suitable to be ranked among the best dash cams for the current year. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.